15 ornamental colorful plants for your balcony garden. Hello and welcome to your loving channel Gardener's Gardening. Today I am feeling glad to share with you a very beautiful video regarding exotic colorful ornamental indoor plants which needs very low sunlight, care and maintenance. You can decorate your home with these beautiful plants. These plants makes our environment very nice and keeps our surroundings fresh and cooler. We depend upon these green friends as they supply oxygen to us. So why not to take some steps to make our surroundings more greenish? Ornamental plants are grown in our garden mainly for decorative purposes. Majority are not flowering plants, provides beauty for the garden. They are mainly foliage plants. Leaves of ornamental plants are of different colors and shapes. They are popular for their beautiful leaves. We can grow them firstly buying from nursery and then can propagate from cuttings. I have selected here 15 such ornamental colorful plants which are described as follows. Number 1. Aglaonema. There are huge varieties of colorful leaves in Aglaonema. It is little bit costly but a good air purifying. It needs morning sunlight as it have green, red and green-pink mixed color leaves. If you take proper care of it, it multiplies from its root and you get huge leaves. You can grow its cuttings both in water and in soil easily. Number 2. Syngonium. Syngonium is also a very good looking ornamental plant. It has two common varieties, one is pink and the other is green. It needs low sunlight and regular watering. It grows rapidly from a small plant to a bushy one. It has some aerial roots and you can multiply this plant both in water and in soil. So you can gift this plant to your friends and relatives. Number 3. Ruby rubber plant. Another plant with beautiful color leaves is ruby rubber plant. It has variegation between green and red ruby colors. This plant you can also grow from cuttings. Nurserymen grow them from cuttings. This reddish green glossy leaves must increase beauty of your indoor. It also needs morning sunlight to grow. Number 4. Croton. Croton, I think, is one of the most beautiful ornamental plant. It has huge varieties like Mammy Croton, Gold Dust Croton, Petra Croton, Mother and Daughter Croton, etc. It also needs moisture and morning sunlight. Its color varies from purple, brown, pink, ivory, red, yellow and green. You can grow new plants from its cuttings and from a single leaf also in water. The color spread over the entire leaf to create a visually pleasing plant. Leaves of Mammy Croton are larger, thick and shiny. Leaves of Gold Dust have sprinkled yellow gold dots on dark green background. Petra's large white leaves are also very colorful. This is an evergreen, so must keep it in large container and place them from where they get sunlight. It is a low maintenance, easy to grow plant. Number 5. Coleus. Coleus is a very famous ornamental plant. You can grow it in your garden very easily from a small cutting in moist sand and can propagate from one to many. You can choose this plant as a return gift too, as it needs no such care and everyone can take care of it. It has huge color varieties red, green, pink, maroon and many mixed color. Give it morning sunlight to grow fast. Keep plucking its flower to make it bushy. Monsoon season is the best for Coleus. Number 6. Wandering Jew. It is a hanging plant, so grow it in hanging basket. You can grow this from small cuttings to a basketful. It needs no such care, only watering on regular basis and allow it to grow under morning sunlight. Number 7. Rue tricolor. It is a very good looking hanging plant. Its leaves are long and the front side is of green and pink color and the back side is deepish pink. It requires low watering. Number 8. Christmas tree. Christmas tree is one of the most common name of triangle pine tree, although it is not a true pine. Because of this distinctive appearance, it is grown as houseplants, outdoors and gardens as ornamental trees. Low light and over-watering may cause problems, so give 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight and water only when the soil is dry to touch. Don't keep this plant in indoor for longer time. Water it properly when you plant it in a planter. It needs cool moisture environment. Too less watering also leads to brown leaves, so always check the soil moisture level. You should select a planter with good drainage holes for proper drainage and water. But if you plant this in garden, you need not have to worry about it. Number 9. Caladium. Caladium is an air purifying indoor plant. It does not need much sunlight. It has huge varieties with large sized leaves. Color varies in green, white and pink. This colorful plant can be used as a home decor. You can buy caladium bulbs from nursery or online and can grow easily in a good potting mix. Do not overwater on bulbs, it may result rotting. Number 10. Calathea triosta. It looks very beautiful and it enhances the ambience where it is kept. Front side of the leaf is whitish green and the back side as pinkish. These three colors or tricolor give it the name triosta. Number 11. Dracaena cordyline. It is famous ornamental plant. People love to keep this greenish burgundy colored plant near their entrance because it gives an aristocratic look to the house. Dracaena marginata. It is bicolor long slender leaf with green and red at the corner. It also looks good. Dracaena have one more variety, which is called Songs of India. It has beautiful greenish yellow long leaves. It is also an indirect sunlight loving indoor plant. Number 12. Monstera. Monstera, the Swiss cheese plant or split-leaf philodendron, is native to tropical forest, but also grows well in temperate zone as a houseplant. Spray water every day. It is a popular ornamental foliage plant, must be found in the house of plant lovers. They are climbing in nature and the leaves are often cut into lobes or slashed to the margins. You can see Monstera plants in many monasteries and it gives a divine look there. Number 13. Spider plant. It is the most easy to maintain plant but a good air purifier also. It grows from bulb or tuber, so need less amount of water and morning sunlight. The spider plant is so named because of its spider-like look. Number 14. ZZ plant. ZZ plant grows from thick rhizomes which stores water. It is a shiny greenish ornamental plant, absorbs dirt from your surroundings, so spray water it to clean it. But do not overwater it. It is mainly an indoor plant and grows well in indirect sunlight. It is perfect for beginner gardener and for office. In any well-drained potting soil it grows fast. Only NPK 20-20-20 fertilizer you can apply on it for better growth. Water once in a month or when it gets dried fully. Mainly it is a foliage plant and nice to look for its dark green glossy leaves. Number 15. Dieffenbachia. Though it is an indoor plant, but grows rapidly in full sunlight. In moist soil it grows dramatically. It has straight long stem with alternate leaves arrangement. Its leaves are very large and you can see white flecks in green background. Its large lush green leaves with strokes of white and yellow painting over it gives an elegant look to it. Your eyes must be attracted. It is also a great air purifying plant, but toxic to pets. Its ornamental beauty must increase the decor value of your home. Grow indoor ornamental plant as much as possible. These plants produces huge oxygen and makes your environment fresh and pollution free. As well as decorate your home beautifully. They need no such care but ready to give you lots of benefits. Encourage others about plantation. Not only it is a noble task but also makes our environment greenish. Some plants are good for your vastu too. I am requesting you to watch my other videos to gather more knowledge in this regard. If you love your earth, then keep planting with joy. If you like this video then like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more helpful videos. Thanks for your time.